Hey, how's it going, everyone? Just wanted to do a little video here of this eMac I picked up for free on offerup. It had a loose power button switch here, and the guy thought it wasn't working, but yeah, it is working. So yeah, pretty nice. We're gonna go ahead and tear it apart. Clean that internal fan. It's got some scuff marks on it. We're gonna clean up. This is let's check it out here. An A1002. This is a 700 megahertz model, and yeah. So let's go ahead and there's already so many videos on how to open these up, so I'm not gonna make a video on how to open it up, but I will come back once I have it open so we can take a look at the inside. I'm also gonna have to carry it outside so I can blow it out with my compressor. And yeah, we do have to be extra careful because these have a risk of you can get shot, but just as long as you don't touch the front part of it, power supply, any of that. We're just going to be pulling out the hard drive and the DVD drive, or CD drive. We're going to upgrade it to a DVD drive, and then we're going to go from a 40 gig hard drive to a 160 gig hard drive. And we already have Leopard in it, 10.5.8. So I did a time machine backup, and that's what I'm going to reinstall to on the new hard drive once I get it installed. Alright. Thank you for watching. We'll come back. Ooh, alcohol takes that right off, 91%. Check out these are the bottom screws. Up these little legs here at the bottom, the little feet. There's the CMOS battery and the 2 RAM slots, which we have a gig in here. Side screws. Side screws we're going to put on top of my curtain bed over here. Top up here. Alright, so I'm not sure we're gonna pull the cover off. We gotta be sure we disconnect our power button over here. Right there. Where was a piece of the power button? So there's the switch where it plugs in, and this little metal retaining ring holds that switch, and that was loose off of there. So it fits pretty good right here, so it should go back on. So we took out the switch. So now the whole inside, there's the inside. We can wash this with some soap and water. It's not too bad. The eMac. Let me get my light here. Better. So of course we want to stay away from anything in the front over here. Down here's your power supply. So all we're gonna do is disconnect this and take this fan out, which fan doesn't actually look too bad. Wow. Alright. I don't even think we're gonna need to take it outside and really blow it. It's pretty clean. Alright, well my battery's going to the GoPro, so let me swap it out and I'll get to cleaning these parts and get this hard drive out of here. Get the shield off and the hard drive's under here. And yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so we got this screw and this screw over here. Let's see. Can wiggle this out of here. Awesome. There's the fan. this shield right here. Let's see. We got these ones, a little bit smaller. Let's see. There's a fuse right there. That's the flyback right there. That's, you do not want to touch that. Okay. This little door right here. Oh wow, this is enclosed right here. The speaker enclosure. Oh nice. Okay. So disconnect the speakers here. We'll pop that out of the let me get a flat. This will work perfect. Pop that out of there. Unplug them speakers. We'll give the speakers a good little wiping. This got some really good speakers. These two little fine thread, small screws, they go to the speakers down here. Show me where it's back in this. Let's see. All these screws to the drive. Let's take this one. This one. Let's see. Nope, they're all different. So I'm just gonna lay them out. Is the way they go. So these two longer screws, these two are gonna go there and there, and then these next two smaller screws will be the ones that are gonna go there and there. Okay, let me see what else we have. We have another one right here. We done took that one out. That's the one that's over here. Same thing with that one. That's the one that's over here. And 2 down here. Let's get those off and see where we're at. Just went over down that side. Let's see what this is gonna do. Oh, okay, we got one right here in the middle. That's the middle, what was that, eMac shield. Alright, so there's your hard drive. And this thing, so we gotta get this out. And that has to do with some power too, so we're gonna stay away from that. Okay. Alright, there we go. There's the hard drive and the whole motherboard assembly. We got it off. DVD drive. Little look. There's your cable right here, the video cable. These are known to go bad and make a weird distortion on the screen, but luckily mine's okay. So yeah, we're just gonna start the cleanup process of everything and swap out that hard drive and change it to a DVD drive and get this back together. All right. how's it going, everybody? We're back. So yeah, we got the eMac running on 10.5.8 Leopard. 10.5.8. It's a 700 megahertz power PC G4 with 1 gig SD RAM. Yeah, so we went ahead and upgraded the CD-ROM to a DVD drive and went from a 40 gig hard drive to 160 gig. So right now we're just installing some applications on Microsoft Word. This is a good site right here to get a whole bunch of vintage software for your Power PC, Macintosh Garden. And we got a whole bunch of downloads already. Let's see our applications. The DVD drive's working. Click on the movie. Let's actually eject. Ejects. Back in there. Automatically starts playing the movie. It's a DVD. So that works fine. Yep. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.